everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. You know, a lot of people ask me a lot of questions about my shop. They have visions of this grand, you know, immaculate, huge, well-stocked area where I'm doing all this amazing work. The truth is, though, we do our woodworking, and we don't just do our woodworking, we run our business, our full-time business, not out of a dedicated shop, but out of my carport. We run it out of our carport, and because it's in the carport where we actually park our cars, everything has got to be movable. Nothing is permanent. That includes my work table. So I wanted to show you real quickly today what my work table is. It's not an elaborate setup, but again, like our carport, it gets the job done. It's been getting the job done for years, and I think you might be surprised at how simple it is. Let me show you. And voila, that is it. That's it. A piece of plywood on top of two sawhorses. And as you can see, we have done a lot of work, and the other side looks just as random as this side does. This has been my work table for the last 6 years. And it has, well, I shouldn't say for the last 6 years. The first year we were in business, it was an old hollow core table on sawhorses. And then we upgraded to this. But anyway, let me show you what it is. Okay, so I've just got two very standard contractor grade I-beam style sawhorses. They're 34 inches high. I happen to be right at 6 feet tall. So actually, in hindsight, it'd be great if I could have built these about 6 inches taller. But 34 inches is okay. 40 inches would be even a little better because that would keep me from stooping over. But again, this hasn't hindered production at all. We are rocking and rolling with a standard sawhorse. So we've got these two sawhorses as our base. And this top is heavy enough not to move around for most applications, but I like to attach it with a couple of deck screws. That way it's not going to move around on me at all. All right, so that's it. Now we're ready for business, and this will take whatever abuse we throw at it for the most part. Like I said, I've been using this top for about 5 years now, and it's still doing wonderfully. And then when we're done, then I can take the screws out, pull it all apart, pull it over here against my wood rack, and then we have plenty of space to park, and my wife will be happy once again. All right, then that was like the easiest thing I've ever told you guys, right? So, but I wanted to do this, and some people might say, well, that was stupid. No, it's not really stupid, because there probably are a lot of you out there who are wanting to get into woodworking, but you've been convinced that there are all these limitations on why you can't. I don't have a big enough space. I don't have all the right tools. I don't have the right work table. When I get this done, then I'll be able to do this. Or when I get that done, then I'll be able to call myself a woodworker, yada, yada, yada. That's all craziness. Just use what you've got in the space you've got. Just make the best of what you've got. Do your best with what you have, and then let that be it. We're running a full-time woodworking business out of my carport with a Sawhorse and Plywood work table, and I'm making a living doing this. So it's all a matter of perspective, and it's all a matter of how determined you are to make your situation work. You can make whatever situation you have work for you if you want it bad enough. And this isn't even a stretch to do this table like this. It's just a simple table, and stop worrying about what everybody says you should do or what you should have or what you should look like and all that. My wife and I have a saying that we have adhered to our entire marriage, and I believe in it more today than I ever have before. Be who you are and do what you want, because the people that mind don't matter, and the people that matter don't mind. Have a good day. Join us here if you like this video. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel. We're doing cool little stuff all the time, and we would love to have you here. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.